History of the motorcycle. 1. Early invention, 1860s to 1890s. The first concepts of motorcycles came in the mid-19th century, when inventors began experimenting with adding engines to bicycles. 1867, Pierre Michaud and Pierre Lallemand of France created a steam-powered bicycle. 1885, the first true motorcycle was built by Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach in Germany. It was called the Reitwagen riding car and had a wooden frame with a single-cylinder internal combustion engine. 2. Early growth 1900 to 1914. By the early 1900s, companies like Indian Motorcycle USA 1901 and Harley-Davidson USA 1903 were founded. Motorcycles were used for personal transportation and racing. Designs evolved with stronger frames, bigger engines, and chain drives instead of belts. War and Innovation, 1914 and 1945. World War I saw motorcycles used widely by armies for messengers and scouts. Companies improved durability and reliability. World War II accelerated development with brands like Harley-Davidson, BMW, and Norton producing military bikes. 4. Post-war boom, 1945 to 1960s. After World War II, motorcycle production shifted to the civilian market. British brands like Triumph, BSA, and Norton became popular worldwide. Japan entered the market. Honda, founded 1948, began producing affordable, reliable motorcycles. Hashler 5, Japanese dominance, 1960s and 1980s. Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Kawasaki became global leaders, producing high-performance bikes at lower prices. Iconic models like the Honda CB 750, 1969, set new standards for speed